When things become too grim in Harry Potter series, the characters could always count on Fred and George Weasley to lighten the mood. Of course, the Weasleys Wizard Wheezes, the legacy of the Weasley twins was their massively successful joke shop. Every fan knows that the shop was first established in Diagonal Alley in Harry's 6th year at Hogwarts. However, there may be several things that only the most devoted fans remember about the Weasley business. Between how the twins originally got their start, what type of items they sold, and the real world version of the shop in the Wizarding World theme park, there may still be plenty about Weasley's Wizard Wheezes that fans want to know. So in this video we're gonna talk about the 9 amazing facts about Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. So before starting the video, if you're new here then please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you won't miss any update. And now without wasting any moment, let's begin the video. Number 9. Many Weasley items were made into real-world magic. Just like the fictional version of Weasley's Wizard Wheezes had the genius inventors Fred and Georgie to fill its shelves with magical items, the real-world version of the shop needed inventors to replicate the products from the Universal Studio theme park. Maria Cazoras is the senior buyer for the Universal Orlando Resorts merchandise team. Before opening Weasley's Wizard Wheezes, her job was to dive into the Harry Potter series, find magical products, and find ways to make them work in the real world. This includes Marauder's map that will reveal their secrets with the tap of the wand, skiving snack boxes, working extendable ears, and several other items from the series requested especially by fans. Number 8. Fans can visit Weasley's Wizard Wheezes in the Wizarding World theme park. Fans of Fred and Georgie and Weasley's Wizard Wheezes can do such a more than visiting the shop in their imaginations. In Diagonal Alley, in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and Universal Studio theme park, a real-life version of Fred and Georgie's store available to explore. The Emporium is hard to miss as it is right near the entrance to Diagonal Alley and features the 20-foot Weasley brother at its front. Just like in the movie, fans can enter and purchase pygmy puffs, cycling Dolores Umbridges, boxing telescopes, and more. Number 7. The Ministry commissioned the shop for defensive items. Fred and Georgie may not have been the most powerful wizard in the fiction, but they were genius when it comes to invention. While they typically put this skill into creating prank items and adorable pets, they also made several practical products. For example, knowing that many witches and wizards were no good at casting protective charms, they made hats, gloves, and other items that could generate a shield around the wearer. With the dangers of the war becoming more apparent, the Ministry of Magic itself decided to commission the boys for hundreds of these items to protect their staff. This led the twins to further explore this avenue, developing items designed to fight the dark arts, which the Ministry would quickly buy out. This proved that their skills for mischievous were far more useful than Mr. Weasley ever thought they would be. Number 6. Weasley's Wizard Wheezes offer discreet old delivery. Fred and Georgie were no strangers to breaking the rules at Hogwarts, and even after they left the school, they made sure to continue to cause as much mischievous as possible at the castle. The twins knew that their products would be banned at the school as they had already made waves the year previous. To solve this problem, they come up with the ways to allow students to receive their products without getting caught. With select products, Weasley Wizard Wheezes will disguise things like love potion as tonics or medicines allowed in the building. This way, when packages are searched, students don't end up with their purchases confiscated. This made Fred and Georgie unpopular with Harry Potter perfects like Hermione, but solidified them as a great business for regular students. Number 5. Produced muggle trick items. In Harbor Prince, Harry noticed a shop section that seems considerably less popular than the rest. The twins explained that this section included several muggle tricks items they have found and replicated. These included the kind of trick decks, wands, and hats that anyone could find in a real-world magic shop and proved to be uninteresting to patrons that possess real magic. Fred and Georgie revealed they had created this line for those who had fascination for muggles, like their dad. Realistically, the twins likely knew that very few other witches or wizards had the same interest as Mr. Weasley, but it's very sweet to the heroic side characters of Harry Potter thought of their father while designing their products. Number 4. Sold cosmetic items. Fred and Georgie knew that they needed to appeal to more than just the jokester to achieve success. So they decided to produce a line of products called Wonder Witch, which would include a wide variety of products aimed specially towards witches. Most fans will be familiar with powerful and problematic love potion that customers can purchase from this line. But the twins also developed magical cosmetics. These included 10-second pimple vanisher and everlasting eyelashes, and several serums and creams meant to glamour a witch into looking better. Number 3. Ron took over Fred's place as co-manager. One of the most devastating losses of Harry Potter series was Fred Weasley. The twins were two people that never should have been separated, but the Battle of Hogwarts ensured that things went a different way. Fred's death in the Harry Potter hit audience differently, however, when they remembered that this meant Georgie would return to Weasley's Wizard Wheezes as a solitary business owner, something he never expected to be. However, the book Quidditch Through the Ages by J.K. Rowling revealed that after 2 short years working as an author with Harry, Ron decided to join George at the shop and become co-manager. While Weasley's Wizard Wheezes was initially meant to mean the twins, Fred likely would have been happy to see his little brother take his place as another Weasley in the business. Number 2. The product labels in the movies took 6 months to design. A lot more goes into movies than viewers often realize, and the few moments that Weasley's Wizard Wheezes was shown in the film required a considerable amount of work, and it took graphic designers 6 months just to create the various product labels seen throughout the shop. Mirafora Mina is the co-founder of the graphic design firm, and Mina Lima, who was hired to work on Harbor Prince, she told that the team had to get into the mind of teenage business owners and design the loudest, most colorful labels that they could come up with. The result was the exciting variety of products that perfectly represented the Weasley twins. Number 1. Harry paid for Weasley's Wizard Wheezes startup. Throughout Goblet of Fire, the Weasley twins worked hard to secure funds to get their business up and running. They had already started inventing and testing their products, but they would need money if they wanted to make their dream a reality. While the Harry Potter movies left out this detail, the startup investment for the business came from Harry himself, who did not want to keep the prize money from the Three Wizard tournament. Harry later worried that he had made this decision too rashly, as he feared the business put them in even more danger from Death Eaters. But the twins proved that the world desperately needed that love. So that's it for today, Potterlads. I hope you liked this video, and if you really did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you're visiting this channel for the first time, because I keep bringing Harry Potter stuff every day. And if you're really gonna subscribe to this channel, then don't forget to press the bell icon so you won't miss any update. And now I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.